Steady now, keep them moving right.
Okay, the ramp is clear for the next group.
Maintain the gap, gentlemen.
All clear on the left side, move along now.
Water quality levels are stable. Good, check the flow rate on trough 3.
Heart rate is steady and normal.
Looks good, let's move to the next.
I'll take the front, you get the back legs. All right, spraying now.
The pressure looks consistent on this batch. Yes, the texture is perfect. Let's keep it moving.
Check the viscosity on line 3.
Looks consistent, but let's increase the pressure slightly.
We found the spot, right here, conforming to the new layout.
Perfect fit. That completes this shipment.
Surface texture and edges are clean. This one passes quality control.
Confirmed. Moving to approved storage.
Ensure the red panels are perfectly aligned before stitching. I am checking the collar alignment now.
Are the measurements matching the red panels?
Reorganization. The curves are exact according to the template.